Now welcome you to another tutorial on this course on Django. In this tutorial, as you know that we are discussing project files. So in this tutorial, we are going to be discussing the file that is Asgi.py. So ASGI basically stands for Asynchronous Server Gateway Interface, and it is the specification which channels and define are built upon, designed to untie channel apps from a specific application server and provide a common way to write application and middleware code. Now the Django framework uses a WSGI, as you know, that is basically the web server gateway interface, which is an interface for Python application to handle requests. But to work with asynchronous applications, we need to use another interface, which is basically the ASGI that can handle WebSocket requests as well. So to sum up, ASGI is basically used for handling asynchronous applications. So let me just show you what is in the file of ASGI. So I have already opened it. So as you can see over here that the first thing written over here is import OS, and you know what is the purpose of this. Now the second thing you can see over here is django.core.asgi. Now if you compare this very file asgi.py with this wsgi.py, it is almost the very same, with the basic difference that instead of ASGI over here, in the WSGI file we have WSGI over here and we have WSGI over here as well. So basically this line over here, either it be this thing that is django.core.asgi or ASGI underscore application, it has the very same explanation as of this very same, but the only difference is that this file over here is going to handle your asynchronous applications, and then you are going to set on the environment the very same as you did in the WSGI file that was os.environment.setDefault. The first argument is the default settings module, and the second one is myfirstproject.settings, and then you have to go on with application equal to get WSGI application, whereas in case of ASGI, what you are going to do is that this line is going to be the very same, no difference at all, but in this third line, the only difference is that instead of WSGI in case of WSGI.py, we have ASGI in case of ASGI.py. So the only difference, as I told you, is that this is for asynchronous applications, and all these lines over here have the very same explanations, but it is for asynchronous applications. So I hope it is clear. So now we are done with the application files. In the next tutorial, we are going to be coming up with some interesting stuff. So I guess you stick on to this. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.